Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best texture roller is probably one of the most versatile tools in any clay artist's arsenal. These rollers allow you to effortlessly transfer patterns and textures onto your clay surfaces, transforming plain slabs into stunning works of art. From delicate floral designs to bold geometric patterns, the possibilities are endless. Join me as we delve into the world of texture rollers and discover how they can elevate your ceramic creations. Number 5. OwnMy Clay Pattern Rollers Kit. Introducing the OwnMy Clay Pattern Rollers Kit. This set includes 5 different textured rollers, perfect for adding unique designs to your clay projects. They are easy to use and create beautiful patterns. The kit features 5 distinct patterns: cobblestone, fish, wood grain, ripple, and leaves. Each roller provides a clear and detailed texture. You can easily create a variety of effects with these rollers. These hand rollers are designed for ease of use. Simply roll them over your clay surface to create your desired pattern. It's a simple way to add detail and dimension to your creations. Made from high-quality solid wood, this kit is built to last. The rollers are durable and resistant to deformation, ensuring they can be used for a long time. They are a reliable tool for any clay artist. These rollers can be used on a flat surface or even on the wall of a piece while it's still on the wheel. The size is 1.5 centimeters in diameter and 11 to 9 centimeters in length. They are a versatile addition to your pottery tools. What we like? This set offers a diverse range of textures, from cobblestone to wood grain. It's incredibly easy to use, just roll it over your clay. If you're looking for a versatile set to create various patterns and add depth to your projects, this is the one for you. What people say. Love these for adding texture. They are easy to use, easy to clean, just sponge and water, and they make a deep enough impression to still show through after glazing. She loved the various patterns, which all showed up perfectly on the clay. Number 4. MKM BHR 79 Psychedelic Wave Wood Hand Roller. Introducing the MKM BHR 79 Wood Hand Roller designed for various clays. It's precision carved for unique patterns. Simply roll it across your clay for stunning results. This roller works with natural, polymer, and precious metal clays. The design allows for easy clay release. It's perfect for adding texture to your pottery. Use it on flat slabs or the walls of thrown pots. You can create beautiful patterns with ease. Just roll it with your hand or a roller board. The roller is finished with oil for long-lasting use. It's built to withstand years of use. If clay gets stuck, a soft brush and warm water will clean it. The roller is 4.75 inches in length and 1 inch in diameter. It's a great tool for any potter looking to add unique textures to their work. It's a must-have tool for your pottery. What we like? This roller features a precision-carved design for intricate patterns. The bevel-carved design ensures easy clay release, and it's finished with oil for long-lasting durability. If you are a potter seeking a high-quality tool for detailed designs, this roller is a great choice. What people say. It was just the right size and well made with a mesmerizing pattern. It made good clean impressions in the clay. The echinacea flower pattern imprints clearly. Number 3. MKM TW 12 Vines and Flowers Wood Twig Roller. Introducing the MKM TW 12 Vines and Flowers Wood Twig Roller. This roller is perfect for adding beautiful textures to your clay projects. It's designed for various types of clay, including natural and polymer clays. This roller is precision carved with a unique vines and flowers design. The bevel carving allows the clay to release easily. You can create stunning patterns with ease. Simply roll it across a slab of clay or up the side of a thrown pot. The process is straightforward, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced artists. The results are always impressive. The roller is finished with oil to ensure durability. It's designed to last for many years of use. If clay gets stuck, just use a soft toothbrush and warm water to clean it. The roller is 3 inches in length and 0.4 inch in diameter, or 7.5 centimeters in length and 1 centimeter in diameter. Its compact size makes it easy to handle and store. What we like? This roller features a beautiful twig and flower pattern. The bevel-carved design ensures easy clay release, and it's finished with oil for long-lasting durability. If you like adding natural, delicate patterns to your pottery, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Este rodillo a pesar de tener un tamaño pequeño ofrece un resultado final impecable y como las superficies que trabajo son también pequeñas, me funciona perfectamente. It's beautifully made. Number 2. Clay modeling pattern rollers, wooden handle pottery tools. This set includes 6 clay modeling pattern rollers with various textures. They are perfect for adding unique designs to your pottery projects. You'll have plenty to use and share with others. These rollers are made from quality natural wood, carefully polished for a smooth finish. They are durable and comfortable to use. The excellent craftsmanship ensures they won't easily break. The rollers feature beautifully carved, unique designs with crisp and clear lines. The depth of the carving is perfect for creating detailed patterns on your clay. They work great for adding texture to edges or creating backgrounds. Simply roll these hand rollers over soft clay to create surface patterns. No handle is needed, just roll them like a rolling pin. It's easy to design and create your own clay embellishments with them. These rollers are ideal for marking soft clay with unique patterns, making your pottery stand out. You can also use them to add patterns to cookies or other DIY pastries. The possibilities are endless with this tool. Each package contains 6 rollers, each about 150 mm long and 20 mm in diameter, with different textures. You'll have plenty of these tools to meet your needs. You can share them with family and friends. What we like. This set offers a variety of patterns to choose from. Made of quality natural wood, it's durable and easy to use. If you are looking for a set with multiple patterns to add unique details to your work, this is a great option. What people say. Each roller is approximate 6-inch long and easy to use. Wooden rollers do not stick to the clay like plastic rollers. Easy to use with a smooth even roll and a great price for a set of 6 rollers. They are slightly longer than other rollers and provide a good texture impression on clay. These are lovely quality wooden rollers. The patterns are pretty and they work beautifully. Number 1. Ready to learn Paint and Dough Explorers, Set 1. Introducing the Paint and Dough Explorers set. This set includes 4 sturdy, chunky texture rollers designed for kids. They're perfect for adding exciting patterns to their creations. Each roller features a unique raised pattern. There are wavy lines, circles, squiggles, and dots. It provides a variety of textures for different art projects. These rollers are made of durable plastic with rubber wool surfaces. The materials ensure they can withstand lots of use. The design is made to last. The chunky rollers are easy for kids to grip. The thick handles fit perfectly in small hands. They'll have fun creating with these. Let your children craft and roll. They can add patterns and textures to paint, clay, and dough creations. It encourages their creativity. Cleaning up is simple. Just hold the rollers under warm, running water. The handles have loops for easy storage. Arts and crafts activities encourage creative expression. These pattern makers are great for DIY projects. They can be used for posters, pottery, and more. What we like. This set is designed with kids in mind, featuring easy grip handles and fun patterns. It's also easy to clean, making it perfect for young artists. If you have kids who love to create with clay or dough, this set will inspire their creativity. What people say. They leave great textures on paper as well as jelly plates. First, since they are made for classrooms, they are well made and quite sturdy. Second, they clean up so easy it's amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.